Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the berry stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the berry stitch, but we are looking at the back of my work. The reason being, when you make the berry stitch, it's going to poke out on the other side of your work. So for my test swatch, I made a little foundation row of all single crochets in between my berry rows. The reason being, it makes all of my berry rows stick out on the same side of my work. So for the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain, and I'm going to be working regular singles in between my berry stitches. So I'm going to work one single crochet into the first stitch. I'm then ready to make my first berry. Yarn over your hook one time, insert your hook into the stitch you want to work, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one time, take that yarn through the first loop only. You'll still have 3 loops. Yarn over one time, insert your hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through. You'll have 5 loops on your hook now. Yarn over, take that through all 5 loops. And that's going to be how to make the berry stitch. I'm going to work a single crochet into my next stitch. I'm ready to make another berry. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the stitch you want to work, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over one time, take that through the first loop only. Yarn over again, insert your hook back into that same stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have 5 loops on your hook now. Yarn over, take that through all 5 loops. Regular single here. Next berry. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through the first loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook back into the stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through all 5 loops. And that's going to be another berry. I'm going to make a single crochet here. And then I'm just going to repeat this for the rest of my row. We've come to the last berry stitch in my row. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch you want to work, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through 1 loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook back into the stitch you want to work, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through all the loops on your hook. I'm going to make a single crochet into this next stitch. I'm then going to cut my yarn. It's going to be easier to show you the other side of my work. All right, so this is going to be the other side of my work where all of my berry stitches are sticking out. This is what the berry stitch is going to look like. And that is going to be how to make the berry stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.